Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off August app notifications on your iPhone. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you no longer want to receive August app notifications. How do you actually go ahead and turn those off? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. But in order to do this, what you're first going to do is open up the settings option. Next, you want to scroll down to where it says notifications. Click on notifications above sounds and haptics. Next, you want to scroll down to where it says the August app and then click on August. And then from here, you can see that there's a toggle button that allows notifications. If you toggle this on, that is going to allow notifications from the August app. But if you toggle it off, that is going to not allow notifications from the August app. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and turn off notifications from the August app on your iPhone. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all